Welcome back. Today we are tackling the shortest palindrome problem. This is a classic string manipulation challenge often found in technical interviews. Our goal is to take a string and turn it into a palindrome by adding characters only to the front. Here is the formal definition. Given a string S, you need to find the shortest possible palindrome you can create by prepending characters. Remember, you cannot delete characters or add them to the end. You can only add them to the beginning. Let's look at some examples. If the input is Asakea, the answer is Augskea. We added just one A at the start. If the input is Abgt, we need to add DCB to the front to make it DCBabgt. Notice how the added part is the reverse of the suffix. The key to solving this efficiently is to realize that the resulting string will consist of the original string, plus some characters added to the front. To keep the additions minimal, we want to utilize the longest possible part of the original string that is already a palindrome starting from the beginning. Here is the visual breakdown. First, we identify the longest palindromic prefix. In this case, Aseka. The characters coming after that form the suffix. To complete the palindrome, we simply need to take that suffix, reverse it, and paste it at the very front. A common brute force approach is to iterate backwards from the end of the string. At each position, we check if the substring from 0 to that index is a palindrome. The first one we find is guaranteed to be the longest. However, checking for a palindrome inside a loop makes this an O of n squared algorithm, which is too slow for large inputs. We can optimize this to linear time, O of n, by borrowing a concept from the KMP pattern matching algorithm. Specifically, we will use the idea of the lookup table that finds repeated patterns. Here is the trick. We create a new temporary string. We take our original string S, add a special separator character like a hash symbol, and then append the reverse of S. This combined string helps us find the overlap between the prefix of S and the suffix of its reverse. We then calculate the KMP longest prefix suffix array for this new combined string. The value at the very last index of this array gives us exactly what we need: the length of the longest palindrome starting at the beginning of our original string. So to wrap up, we construct the magic string, run the KMP table calculation to find the longest palindromic prefix length, and then use that to determine exactly which characters to reverse and prepend. This gives us a highly efficient, optimal solution.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.